Have you ever noticed how some tools quietly become part of someone's daily routine while others end up forgotten in a drawer? Today's product falls firmly into the first category, and for the right user, it can genuinely simplify how styling fits into everyday life. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence, the channel where we take a calm, practical look at products that are meant to last. Today, we're reviewing the Tymo Curlpro Automatic Rotating Curling Iron, a 1-inch ceramic curling wand designed to create consistent beach waves with minimal effort. This is an automatic rotating curler built for people who want polished results without professional-level skills. If you're someone who struggles with traditional curling irons, worries about burns, or wants reliable waves without trial and error, this product is clearly aimed at you. You'll find the purchase link in the description below. At its core, the Tymo Curlpro uses a one-click auto-rotation system to wrap hair evenly around the barrel. The design focuses on safety, consistency, and long-term hair health rather than speed alone. It's lightweight, dual voltage for travel, and finished in a clean metallic gray that feels considered rather than flashy. Reason number 1. Effortless consistency for everyday styling. The automatic rotation removes the biggest challenge most people face with curling irons: technique. The hair guide and 0.3-inch slot keep hair aligned while the barrel rotates smoothly, helping produce even, repeatable waves. This makes it especially valuable for beginners or anyone who wants predictable results without a learning curve. Reason number 2. Built-in safety that inspires confidence. The 360-degree cool-to-the-touch anti-scald design significantly reduces burn risk, making it suitable for both adults and supervised younger users. The intelligent anti-tangle system detects resistance and reverses rotation automatically. In daily use, this creates a calmer, more controlled styling experience rather than one that feels rushed or risky. Reason number 3. Noticeably healthier-looking hair. Tymo's T-Gloss tourmaline ceramic coating is engineered to be smoother than standard ceramic barrels. Combined with 500 million negative ions, it helps reduce moisture loss, frizz, and static. The result is hair that looks shinier, feels softer, and maintains wave definition without stiffness. Reason number 4. Long-lasting results without overstyling. Waves created with the Curlpro are designed to hold for up to 72 hours under normal conditions. This means fewer touch-ups and less repeated heat exposure over time. For many users, that translates into better hair condition and more reliable styling across multiple days. Reason number 5. Designed for real travel and real routines. With dual voltage support and a lightweight build, this curling iron fits easily into a carry-on or gym bag. It heats efficiently and doesn't require additional accessories, making it practical for frequent travelers or anyone who styles away from home. Trusted by many of 5-star reviewers, the Tymo Curlpro has earned a reputation for reliability rather than novelty. It's not about dramatic transformation, it's about making good hair days more predictable. Final verdict: the Tymo Curlpro isn't meant for those who enjoy manual styling control or tight, structured curls. Its 1-inch barrel and automated design are best suited for soft waves and relaxed volume. However, for beginners, busy professionals, travelers, or anyone prioritizing safety and consistency, it stands out in a crowded category. If you value ease, hair protection, and dependable results, this is a tool worth considering. Take a closer look through the link in the description, compare it thoughtfully, and choose with confidence.